Oh my goodness. You know what? I think if you sit on top of the fence.
I've never seen a bull moose before.
Yeah, this is my first time.
Why? I don't know what it's set on. That's the new camera. I haven't figured it out yet.
I'm wondering if I run over to the little meter box, can I get it from there? Good. London, you stay here. It's already up to your knees. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Stay, London, stay. Yeah, I was going to try to go over there. London, stay still. London, stay still. He's light enough. I'm mad now that I'm heavy.
Yeah,